Welcome to my channel. In this video, you discover why 99% of people got this algebraic expression wrong, and you also learn the correct way to simplify this using PEMDAS, BODMAS or BODMAS. Now we have this 11 minus 11 multiplied by 11 minus 11. Then here, this is what many persons will do here. Now at this point we will have 11 minus 11, and that gives 0 multiplied by 11 minus 11. When at this point they have 0 multiplied by 11 minus 11, that gives 0. Then right here, 0 times 0, that is 0. But this answer here is wrong. When as such, this first approach here is completely wrong. Do not make this mistake in simplifying this expression. Now, to simplify this correctly, you are going to have this. We have 11 minus 11 multiplied by 11 minus 11. When here, we are going to follow this order of operation we call PEMDAS. We have here, or you can use BODMAS or BODMAS. Both of these will give the same answer if you apply it correctly. Now at this point, following this order, we have here parentheses, but there's no parentheses here. We have exponents, no exponents here. We have multiplication, we have multiplication here. There's no division, no addition, and we have subtraction. Now, at this point, from this order of operation, multiplication is of higher priority than subtraction here. When as such, we are going to first of all consider multiplication here, and we are going to have this. Now, this expression becomes 11 minus 11 times 11, that gives us 121 minus 11. But at this point, you can subtract this expression in either way. You can have 11 minus 121 and then minus 11. You can have minus 121 minus 11, both to give you the same answer. Then at this point, we are going to have 11 minus 121, that to give us minus 110, then minus 11. And lastly, we have minus 110 minus 11, that to give us minus 121. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you already done so, thank you so much, and ensure that you stay tuned for more interesting videos from this channel. See you in the next video.